Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 17th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ethereum Classic. Should you go all in? The answer is no. You guys can tell already from the price chart that the market in Ethereum Classic is in a downtrend. The market could not hold my trend line. So I'm going to talk about this real quick and show you all what I think the market's about to do without the confusion. So I did a price prediction in Ethereum Classic right here on October the 18th, looking for the market to trend higher. You guys can see what the price action has been. In conjunction with my price prediction, the market did trend higher and it fell short right here, November the 6th. I had an ultimate TP price around $28. The market on November the 6th ran up to a high of $27.23 or 27. And I had an ultimate price target of $28. So we fell short around 75 cents or so, but we were in the ballpark to see where the market resistance was going to come in at. If you guys would have taken the bag here on this particular day, congratulations, because you would have topped out at around 15%. Outside of that, if you were to get out the market now in Ethereum Classic, you would be down 17 3/4. Okay. Now let's talk about why you shouldn't go all in Ethereum Classic right now. Because when you listen to a whole lot of people on YouTube, they would tell you that every time the price dips, you want to come in and buy more. You want a dollar cost average in, which is the worst thing that you could possibly do. And I tell that in particular for Ethereum Classic because something drastic has occurred that will confirm to us that the market is not bullish and that we have a lot lower to go. And that is right here. Okay. You guys can see right here on November the 8th. How Ethereum Classic fell below this trend line that I have drawn on the chart. It broke. That's a glaring sign that the price is weak in Ethereum Classic. Now the market here on November the 10th, it attempted to trade back up above that trend line. And what happened? It got rejected. So that simply tells us that we should not be looking to buy Ethereum Classic at the moment. It tells us that the overall market is not feeling the price for Ethereum Classic at this level. No one's willing to buy it at this price, because if so, yeah, we would have definitely seen the market close above our trend line. So that is a glaring sign that we should not be buying the market in Ethereum Classic. So where should we be looking to buy the market in Ethereum Classic? Well, you guys can see down here that the market in Ethereum Classic initially came and held this area right here as support. Okay, now I'm going to show you from a longer term perspective to see if this area, which is around $18, if it's going to hold as support. So this is the 3-weekly chart here in the market in Ethereum Classic. You guys can see here that looking at the last completed 3-weekly chart, the market here in Ethereum doesn't look like it's going to hold this particular level long. Okay. You guys can tell how important this particular $18, $17 level is. Look at this. Back in 2021, the market utilized that level as resistance. We broke out of it, and now we're coming right back down to test it today. Do you think it's going to hold? Because if you think it's going to hold, then yeah, this is a buying opportunity in the market in Ethereum Classic. Okay. This is the 5-weekly chart. And there's still some weakness here into the market here in Ethereum Classic. So the long term, the market definitely is reflecting terms of weakness that we need to be prepared for the market in Ethereum Classic to try to fall back down below 1750 or so. Okay, so I'm done. That's how I'm going to play the market here in Ethereum Classic. I'm going to play forward to the downside. Now, like I said, I can still see the market buyers trying to come in and approach $17.25, $17.50 for support. That's going to be my first price target. My second one's going to be down here around 15, and then third, 12.50. Okay, so we got 17.25, 15, and 12.50. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And 1725 or like 1730, that gives us around 11.5%. The second price target is going to be 15, and that's 23 and a quarter. I'm just going to leave it there for the moment. Just do those two price targets for Ethereum Classic. And we're going to run the market resistance up to 24. Okay, so that means that as we see the market trade in Ethereum Classic, and let's say that it runs up to 24, but we get rejected and come back down, then that tells us that the market is still weak. Okay, so this is what I'm looking forward to in the market in Ethereum Classic. Updated price prediction in the market. Still looking for some weakness, albeit I'm not looking for like a very quick, swift movement to the downside. I think it's going to be a methodical, slow and steady trend to the downside for Ethereum Classic. All right. So give me your thoughts. Hit the like button so you can also subscribe to the channel to get more of the simplistic form of predicting price movement.